Hi everybody, my name is Lisa and this is Next Up is Lisa. I'm coming to you today to give you a quick meal for after work. I'm not feeling the best for the last couple of days, and today is the first day I really felt like I wanted something to eat. Funny enough, today is Shrove Tuesday, and while most people are having pancakes, I decided to do like a potato hash. That's really what I had a taste for. So I kind of went through my refrigerator and found a couple of things that would satisfy my taste buds, and I want to share that with you now. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay everyone, so this is what's on the menu for today. I have turkey smoked sausage. It's about 3/4 of a pound. I have a half of a red pepper and half of an orange, and that's just because I ran out of all of red peppers. And I have about I'd say one medium-sized onion. I also have about 2 pounds of potatoes that have been diced up, but they're not too small. If you see, they're really the right size to have in a hash and to eat. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you over to the stove and show you how I bring this together very quickly.
Okay guys, so I'm taking you over to the stove. I am adding my oil of choice, which as you know is avocado oil. And I'm going to bring my cutting board over to the stove because that has all of the essentials that I'm going to start with. And I'm adding my smoked turkey sausage, and I'm going to cook this on, I would say, medium to medium high heat. So here we go. Things are just starting to fry up. A nice slow start, and then we're going to continue to cook the sausage. I am the friend at the cookout that likes her sausages and her hot dogs with a little bit of the crispies on it. I like most of my food well done, and that's why you see the sausages here kind of dark. I decide to add my potatoes next because I know that they'll take the longest to cook. So I'm adding those into the pan. And I'm going to season them with my regular seasonings of choice, which is salt, that you see me adding here, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, as well as red pepper flakes. So that's just what I'm doing here. And if you've followed me at all, you will know that those are my go-to seasonings. Okay, I thought it looked a little dry, so I added a little bit more oil. I'm going to stir everything together just to make sure that it's mixed well. And I'm going to put a top on it and just let it cook. I am turning it down to medium at this point. So just checking the progress and decide that now is the time to add the onions and the peppers. I did not add them earlier because I would definitely like, especially with the peppers, a little bit of crunch. I do not like slimy peppers. So that's why they are added at the end of the cooking time. Again, I'm just going to mix things up, put a top on it, and let it cook a little while longer. Checking things out, stirring things up, making sure nothing is sticking, and things look like they're coming along well. Here we're at the end of the road. I'm just making sure that everything is done, checking the potatoes for doneness, and I'm just going to let things continue to go for a little while longer. So now I've decided that everything is done, and I'm going to plate my food up. I'm going to put it in my nice white bowls. You know I prefer white serving dishes or plates. And so I'm just plating my food up, and I'm getting ready to tell you all about it.
Hi everyone, I'm back. Everything is finished. The meal is finished. I've plated everything up in a bowl and I'm going to let you see what everything looks like. All right, y'all see Gizmo? He's up there on the sofa looking out the window being nosy as people come home from work. So, here it is. Let's taste. That's pretty good, guys. So, if you're like me and sometimes want something that's very quick, but very easy to make, I would suggest making this. I call it a sausage and potato hash. You can call it whatever you like, but I invite you to try it and to let me know what you think. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I invite you to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you are a return visitor, hit that subscribe button, sis. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you for coming back. You know how much I enjoy our time together. I hope you all have a great day.